Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 13th, 2026, and I'm going to be sowing some more tomato seeds today. So one of the things that we do with our tomato seeds and our soil is that we prep it with a neem oil solution to help prevent blights and diseases. So I have my neem oil solution mixed up right here, and we are using soil blocks this year. And I used the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And I am just pouring some of the neem oil solution over these blocks here. And this has made a huge difference for us with how our tomato seedlings grow and preventing blights and diseases. So we are going to soak our tomato seeds as well in this neem oil solution here. And I'm just firming these over. I only have 8 seeds left to plant. Okay, so we have our tomato seeds in the solution here. And I'm just swirling these around here, making sure that they get all nice and coated in the neem oil solution there. And you can let them soak for about 30 seconds in this. Okay, and this here is an heirloom variety. It's either called Russian Purple or Purple Russian. And it's a really good variety. It has a nice smoky flavor to it. These are seeds that we collected ourselves from our own tomatoes from last year. And we still do soak them just to be on the safe side that we don't have any issues with anything being on the seed that maybe we didn't know of or something like that. So, let's get last 2 here. So your tomato seeds typically germinate within 7 to 14 days after planting your seeds. And we are going to put these on the heated floor, and we're going to put a covering over them, which I will show you here. There we go. Was the last one there. So we're just going to gently cover these here. I am going to be labeling these. And I'm putting about a 1/4 inch of soil on top. I want this one here in the center. Oops. Here we go. Now, because these are already wet from soaking them, I'm not going to go ahead and mist these with our watering wand because everything here is already moist and wet. So if you went ahead and you skipped the neem oil solution, you will just want to go over your flats or your blocks with a nice gentle mist of water to make sure that everything gets nice and moist so that your seeds can get off to a good start and they can start germinating for you. And people ask, does it really make a difference if you soak your seeds in the neem oil or not? Honestly, we've seen a huge benefit by pre-treating our seeds with the neem oil when we plant them. And we've seen a reduction in seed-borne diseases when the seedlings start coming up and when they're growing. Now, we do still have to treat them sometimes when they're outside. We almost lost them last year to early blight. It hit our crop last year, and we were able to stop it, and we were able to get a very nice harvest off of it. And I will have a video link at the end of this video that you can check out for how we were able to treat the early blight and how we were able to save our tomato plants and get our harvest off of them. Okay, so I put the tray down on the floor here, and I have a loose fitting lid on it because your seeds need oxygen to germinate, and this will also allow for excess heat and moisture to escape out. So This is not, this lid is not on tight. And I'm going to be checking on these every day to make sure that they are not drying out. And I'm going to be using the mister on the watering wand. Okay, so today is March the 18th, 2026. And you can see here the tomato seedlings are coming up. So I'm going to be moving these off of the floor here and putting them up on the shelves in the greenhouse. Now, because it's so warm in the greenhouse, these will continue to germinate even up on the shelves. Okay, so I moved these here up onto the shelf. And a few of these got a little taller than what I had wanted them to. But they'll still be okay because you can bury your tomato stems deeper than what they originally are growing, because they will grow roots out on their stems. And got to get some of the water off of these. Some of the water dripped from the tray on top, and I don't want to have any issues with anything. You can see there's still more here coming up. Right here's one coming up. So these are going to continue to keep germinating for us. And hope that you guys found this video helpful. I do have a lot of videos on my channel for growing tomatoes. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button on times I put my video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.